say research secondary school and good neighbors in Church another name is hydroelectric power plant. A hydroelectric power plant involves constructing a facility to generate electricity from the energy of moving water, typically by turning a river to create a reservoir. Hydroelectric plant can provide a steady and regular source of clean energy. They can also be used for flood controls, irrigation, and water supply.